from an anthroposophical perspective, a lens that I really enjoy, the plant, mineral, and animal kingdom of our planet will eventually evolve into a higher life form, into a human form. I realize that that's very ironic because human beings act very parasitic on this planet, and it doesn't really seem like we are a higher form. It seems like nature, like we need to learn something from nature. But what I'm talking about is the sophistication and the development of the consciousness, the individuation, the self-awareness. These kingdoms will eventually reincarnate as a human on this planet. And so they are learning from us what human relationship means. So if we exploit the mineral kingdom, if we exploit agriculture, the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom, if we kill bugs around our house, they are learning from us what human relationship is. And when they come back, when they incarnate on this planet, they are going to be carrying that pattern of relationship with them.